Hey there everyone, and welcome back to my channel Beadlot Beads and More. In today's beading tutorial, I'll show you how to make a simple and elegant beaded bracelet using seed beads, crystals, pearls, and beading thread. This project is perfect for beginners. You'll learn a simple bead weaving technique that you can customize to match your own style. Before we dive in, I'd love to know from which country are you watching this video from? Drop in the comments below. I always enjoy seeing where my beading friends are tuning in from. To make this bracelet, you will need the following materials: some 6mm pearls, 3mm pearls, 4mm crystals, size 11 seed beads, clasp, a jump ring, and a chain extender, which is optional. Now let's get started. On the right needle, pick up 6 seed beads and slide them to the middle of the thread. Pass the right needle back through all 6 beads again. Then pull both ends of the thread tight. You can tie a knot here for extra security. Now pass the right needle through just 1 seed bead so both thread ends emerge from the same bead. Now we are ready to begin our beading pattern. On the left needle, pick up 1 crystal, 1 seed bead, 1 crystal, and 1 pearl. On the right needle, pick up 3 seed beads. Now pass the right needle through the 6mm pearl on the left side, then pull both thread ends tight. To continue the beading pattern, add 4 seed beads to your left needle and add 2 crystals with 1 seed bead between them on your right needle. Now pass the right needle through the last seed bead added on the left needle. Pull tight to bring the beads together. To continue the beading pattern, on your left needle, pick up 1 crystal, 1 seed bead, 1 crystal, 1 pearl. On the right needle, pick up 3 seed beads. Then take your right needle and pass it through the 6mm pearl from the left side, and then pull both thread ends tight to bring the beads together. Then, on your left needle, add 4 seed beads, and on your right needle, add 1 crystal, 1 seed bead, 1 crystal. Pass the right needle through the last seed bead added on the left needle. Pull both thread ends tight to bring the beads together. I will show the beading pattern one more time so everyone can see how it's done. If you are enjoying this tutorial so far and are new to this channel, please consider liking and subscribing. Your engagement helps my channel grow, and I appreciate your support. Keep repeating this beading pattern until you reach your desired bracelet length. The bracelet in this video I'm making today measures 6.5 inches. Once you have reached your desired bracelet length, we are ready to finish the bracelet with a clasp. With your right needle, pick up 2 seed beads, 1 clasp, and 2 seed beads. Pass the needle through the seed beads where both thread ends emerge. Then pull tight to form a loop. Reinforce it by passing the needle through the loop again. If you are enjoying this tutorial and are new to this channel, please consider liking and subscribing. Now we are done with the first stage of the bracelet, but in order to start the embellishing with 3mm pearls, we are going to have to work our way back through the bracelet. So take your right needle and work your way back by passing the needle through the crystal bead, the seed bead, and crystal bead before adding a 3mm pearl. With your right needle, add the 3mm pearl and push your needle through the next 7 seed beads. Now turn the bracelet around so you can add the 3mm pearl to this side as well. Add the 3mm pearl and push the needle through the next 3 beads, the 2 crystals with the seed bead in between them. Continue adding the 3mm pearls all along the edge until you get to the other end of the bracelet with this right needle. Add your final 3mm pearl on this side and pass the needle through the next 4 seed beads. Now we can go back to the other side of the bracelet and do the same thing with the left needle that we did with the right needle. Grab your left needle and push it through the next 3 seed beads. Then grab a 3mm pearl and push it through the next crystal bead, crystal bead, and seed bead. So basically the next 4 beads. Then push your needle through the next 3 beads, so the 2 crystals with the seed bead in between them. Then go ahead and add another 3mm pearl and push your needle through the next 7 beads. Now turn the bracelet around so you can add the 3mm pearl to this side as well. Add the 3mm pearl and push the needle through the next 3 beads, the 2 crystals with the seed bead in between them. Continue adding the 3mm pearls all along the edge until you get to the other end of the bracelet. Add your last 3mm pearl on this side and push it through the next 3 beads, which is the 2 crystals with the seed bead between them. Then you can take your 2 thread ends and start forming a knot. Tie 2-3 knots to make sure the bracelet is nice and secure. Push your needle through the next few beads and then cut the excess thread. Don't forget to add either a jump ring or a chain extender to the other end of your bracelet. And that's it, your bracelet is ready to be worn. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.